Let's go look at the VIN number and also the tire placard to see what else we can find, maybe even the paint code for this car. All right, well, this is a 17-digit VIN number, and now it's been that way since about 1981 when they lengthened it from a shorter number. These digits all mean something. The first one is the country of origin where the car was built. And this is a US built car, so that's a 1. This is a Lincoln, so that's an L. Now the next few digits will be body style, and we get up to the 8th digit, that's going to be a W, and that's the engine code for this car. And we count 2 more over to the 10th digit, and that's a 4, because this is a 2004 Lincoln. And the last 8 of the digits of the VIN number will be the sequence of production, and typically the last 8 are what you sometimes put into your parts catalog online to basically pull this vehicle into identification. Now, you won't find out things like the type of transmission, the paint code, and so forth unless you have software, basically access to a subscription that takes the VIN number and deciphers it completely. Like the factory would have that at their dealership, so you can look at not only all the options, everything from the seat covers to the paint code, but also would have information such as service history. If you subscribe to like a Carfax, you can also get service history to a limited degree, but that's based on a VIN number in a computer database. But normally you can break down engine, country of origin, the type of vehicle, body style, as well as the model year it was built, and then the last 8 gives you the sequence of the production date of the vehicle. Let's go take a look at another place where we find the VIN number and some more information inside the driver's door. In the door jamb or on the side of the door itself, we're going to find another label called the tire placard. Now, it may be more information on some cars than others. This particular car, this Ford product, Lincoln, we have the model of the vehicle, the Ford Motor Company here. We have the VIN number once again and a barcode. We also have the recommended tire sizes and inflation levels for front and rear. And on this label we'll also have a 2-digit number, which will be the paint code. The paint code and other options are typically in the trunk underneath the carpet covering the spare tire. But these are tags that are on every car somewhere, and they'll be a wealth of information for you and possible test questions on ASEP2.